Welcome, families and our students for the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Mike Telfer. I teach health here at the Health Science Academy at Monroe Middle School, and we are really excited to welcome you to this school year. It is going to be a little different with the COVID virus and the partial days going 4 days live, and then the Fridays will be virtual. So it's going to be a little different, and we appreciate your patience on that, and we will get it under control and present you with a good product to educate your students with. Uh, I am the health teacher at the academy and look forward to teaching the sixth and the seventh graders and the eighth graders all about health. And some of the things we're going to be covering in sixth grade health specifically are going to be interpersonal relationships, which is how we relate on a healthy basis to each other, okay? Which is particularly important as we go through all of our changes in our sixth, seventh, and eighth grade school years. We're going to work on goal setting and how we handle failure in sixth grade. We're going to work on understanding wellness and nutrition and how to eat more nutritionally dense foods to keep our bodies at the functioning at their maximum and maximum potentials. We're going to work on also covering tobacco products, and with those, now we have to include vaping products. So we're going to cover that in class, and how we need to stay away from those kind of things. We're also going to work on how our bodies physically and emotionally change during our going through our puberty phases and our adolescence phases. So that's what we cover in our interpersonal communication and relationships part of the health class. So that's our sixth graders. Moving on to the seventh graders, we're going to be covering again healthy relationships and how we relate on a healthy, positive basis with people. We're going to be covering how we deal with stress and how we can implement positive coping skills versus implementing negative coping skills. We're going to work on nutrition and again how we can best implement getting the most nutrient-dense foods into our diets, and also physical fitness and disease prevention through our eating habits. We're also going to cover alcohol in our seventh grade year, as well as fire safety and water safety. So we're going to work on, going through drawing a picture of our houses and where our smoke detectors are and where the exits are, and especially having a point outside our houses, if you've never thought about this, to meet, so that you make sure that everybody meets there. And everybody knows about that, because it can be very dangerous if you think somebody's not. If they're in the back side of the house, mom or dad may run back into the house. So we're going to work on that also, all right? And then we'll touch on CPR, which is important for eighth graders. And we're also going to work on reproductive health, which is interpersonal communication and relationships. So that's our seventh graders. And then eighth graders, we will be covering a big unit on CPR, which is CPR and the Heimlich maneuver. We will also be testing you in these things. So we have to sign off on that. So that goes into your CUME folder for your graduation from high school. We're also going to work on stress management and coping skills, time management. We're going to work on positive relationships and how we understand our relationships as we go through life. What is positive, what we need to go towards, and what do we need to go and say, no, I'm not going to deal with that. We're going to work on nutrition and wellness again with fitness. We're going to work on how to prevent diseases and the diseases that we struggle with as a society. And then we're going to work on drugs, and we're going to cover drugs and vaping also, because vaping is getting to be such a big issue in high school. So, and then we're going to work on also go through the interpersonal communications and relationships as well in eighth grade. And you've got a mailing out already. If you would, please, parents, check one box, which the first one is going through the course. The second one is mostly going through the course, and the third one is opting out for your student. And all three boxes are okay, but check just one, and then have your students sign their name and you sign your name and date that. And if you would return that with all the other things you return to school, that would be great, which is a green slip of paper for sixth grade, blue for seventh, and red for eighth. Okay, can't miss it. Please get that returned to your home of teachers. I would greatly appreciate that. Other than that, we will be teaching partly in class, which I covered, and partly remotely. And I just look forward to meeting everybody and having a relationship this year instead of just doing everything virtual, which is nice because we're going to be able to hopefully use this media resource. Thank you very much, Mike Telfer, your health teacher here at Mineral, and look forward to having a great school year with you.